Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Okay, so today we are going to learn the new chapter. Okay, what is the chapter? Chapter 3. Yeah, the title of the chapter 3 is Nutrition in Plants. Okay, I hope you are ready to learn about the nutrition in plants. Alright, okay. So, in the chapter 3, there are three main subtopics, right? Okay, so 3.1 main inorganic nutrients, and then 3.2 organ for water and mineral salt uptake, and then for the subtopic 3.3 diversity in plant nutrition. Actually, this chapter is a short chapter, right? Okay, so today we are going to cover 3.1 main inorganic nutrients. Okay, so these are the learning standards that you have to cover for today's lesson, right? Okay, number one, identify macronutrients and micronutrients required by plants, right? Okay, number two, justify the necessity of macronutrients and micronutrients in plant. Okay, right. Okay, so please look at the conversation there. Yeah. Okay. Look at the conversation between all the members in the family. Right. Okay. What the girl said. Why do the leaf on this plant turn yellow? Okay. What the father said. It has to do with nutrients deficiency. So this plant need fertilizer. Okay. So today it is related to the 3.1 main inorganic nutrients. Okay, look at the paragraph up here. Okay, like other living things, plants need nutrients to grow well and produce high quality yields. Right? Okay, plant need inorganic nutrient. Yeah, need inorganic nutrient to produce organic compounds such as carbohydrate and proteins. Okay, what are the inorganic nutrients required by the plants? Okay, so next we are going to look the inorganic nutrients that are required by the plant, right? Okay, so the main inorganic nutrients can be divided into two types. Okay, macronutrients and micronutrients. Yeah, macro. So macro refer to the nutrients that needed in a large amount. Yeah. Okay, and then micro, the nutrients needed in a small amount. Right. Okay, make sure you can differentiate between macronutrients and micronutrients. Okay, we look at the examples of the macronutrient. Yeah, so these are the examples of the macronutrients. Okay, what are they? Carbon, yeah, calcium, hydrogen, magnesium, oxygen, phosphorus, nitrogen, sulfur, and potassium. Okay, so these are all macronutrients. Okay, what about the micronutrients? Yeah, micronutrients examples are chlorine, yeah, zinc, yeah, iron, copper, manganese, nickel, boron, and molybdenum. Yeah, okay. So make sure you can remember, yeah, or memorize the examples of the macronutrient and micronutrient. Okay. So three main macronutrients, yeah, which are carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, can be obtained easily from air and water from the soil. Okay, so therefore, the lack of these nutrients that refer to the carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen is rarely experienced by plants. Right? Okay, the remaining nutrients are taken in the form of mineral salts, which are dissolved in the soil through fertilization. Okay, so please do not confuse the terms of the fertilization here. Okay, fertilization here is not the fusing, the fusion of the ovum and the sperm ya, it is referred to the proses apa? Pembajaan ya, proses pembajaan. Ya, kita memberikan nutrien kepada tanah supaya dia menjadi subur dan boleh diserap oleh tumbuhan ya. That is referred to the terms of fertilization in this topic. Right? Okay. Okay. Now we go to the necessity of macronutrients in plant. Ya, necessity, keperluan macronutrient in plant. Right? Okay. So these are the list of the macronutrient and also the function and also the effect of deficiency. Okay, for carbon, oxygen and hydrogen, the function of the carbon, hydrogen and oxygen summarized here. Okay, important components in carbon cycle and oxygen cycle. So component in all organic compound of plants and important components in synthesis of sugar. Right? Okay. So what is the effect of the deficiency? Kesan kekurangannya. Photosynthesis will not take place. Less oxygen released by plant. Stunted growth, which can cause death because there is no glucose. Okay, so that is the effect of deficiency for the carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. Okay, what about the nitrogen? Okay, the nitrogen here. The nitrogen gives the green color to the plants through the formation of chlorophyll. Formation of the chlorophyll. Main component of the proteins, nucleic acid, and enzymes in photosynthesis and respiration. Okay, what is the effect of deficiency? Leaf undergo chlorosis. Chlorosis. Okay, chlorosis refer to the yellowing of the leaf. Maksudnya daun menjadi kekuning-kuningan. Okay, yellowing of the leaves. Mainly in unmatured leaf. On the matured leaf. Okay, and you can see on the photograph 3.1. Right? Okay, please go to the diagram. Okay, and underlying leaf fall off. Okay, the leaf fall off. Right? Okay, protein synthesis disrupted and stunted growth. Okay, that is the effect of deficiency of nitrogen. Okay, what about the potassium? Potassium important in protein synthesis and carbohydrate metabolism as cofactor. Cofactor is a helper for some enzymes, maintains plant turgidity. Okay, so we already discussed about the plant turgidity, right? It is related to the potassium ion, right? Okay, still remember that? Okay, so what is the effect of deficiency of the potassium? Protein synthesis disrupted. Each of leaf become yellowish. Okay, you can look at the photograph 3.2. Each of the leaf become yellowish and cause the premature death of plants. Right? Okay, so that is the effect of deficiency of potassium. Okay, calcium. Calcium, main component of the middle lamella, cell wall, and spindle fiber during cell division. Okay, the effect of deficiency, stunted growth, leaf become distorted and lobe. Dia akan berbentuk sedikit berbentuk lobe, sedikit ganjil lah. Parts of the between the leaf vein becomes yellowish. Okay. So we go to the magnesium, main component of the structure of the chlorophyll molecule, activates some plant enzymes involved in carbohydrate metabolism. Okay. So effect of deficiency, parts of the matured leaf vein become yellowish, a little bit same with the calcium. And then the red spot on the leaf surface, lobe leaf. Lobe leaf. Okay. Then we go to the phosphorus. Synthesize nucleic acid, adenosine triphosphate, phosphorus, and phospholipid in the plasma membrane, act as a coenzyme in photosynthesis and respiration. Okay, so what happens if the plant have less of the phosphorus? Okay, unhealthy root growth, formation of dark green and dull color. Yeah, dark green and dull color leaf. Okay, red or purple spots appear on all the leaf. Right. Okay, that is the effect of the lack of the phosphorus. Okay, sulfur. Yeah, components of a few amino acid, one of vitamin B constituents and a few types of coenzyme. Yeah. So the effect of deficiency, leaf or the whole plant turns yellow, right? Okay, so all of these examples of the macronutrient and the effect of the deficiency you should know, right? Okay. This photograph 3.1 shows the leaf of the Ficus benjamina plant undergo chlorosis, right? Okay, because of lack of nitrogen. Okay, so chlorosis refers to the yellowing of the leaves, right? Okay, yellowing of the leaf. Okay, and then here photograph 3.2, the leaf of the Christosis renda, red pinang pond, caused by lack of potassium. Okay, so what happened to the leaf? The edge of the leaf become yellowish color. Yeah, become yellowish color at the edge of the yellowish color. At the edge of the leaf become yellowish because of the lack of potassium. Okay, these are the refer to the examples of the chlorosis. Yeah, because lack of the nitrogen. This one because of lack of potassium. The edge of the leaf become yellowish color. Okay, next we go to the necessity of micronutrients in plant, right? Okay, micronutrient, yeah. Okay, first chlorine, right? Okay, chlorine function important in the equilibrium of osmotic pressure in cells and photosynthesis reaction. Okay, what are the effects of the deficiency? Plants wilt, slower root growth, leaf undergo chlorosis, lesser fruit production. Okay, so still involved with the chlorosis, right? The yellowing of the leaf. Okay, iron. Yeah, iron act as a cofactor in chlorophyll synthesis, important in the growth of the young plant. Okay, effect of deficiency, young leaf become yellowish. Yeah, the young leaf become yellowish. Okay, third, manganese. Yeah, manganese activate photosynthetic enzymes important for cell respiration and nitrogen metabolism. The effect of deficiency, network of dark green leaf veins with a background of light green. Yeah, try to understand it, right? Okay, the light brown or gray spot in between the leaf. Alright, okay, so that is the effect of deficiency of the manganese. But this effect of deficiency is not always occur, right? Okay, then we go to the boron. Yeah, boron helps the root in calcium ion uptake and sucrose translocation. Yeah, sucrose translocation refer to the transport of the transport of the organic substance, refer to the sucrose here. Involves in carbohydrate metabolism and helps in the germination of pollen. Okay. Effect of deficiency, death of the terminal buds and abnormal growth, leaf become thicker, roll up and fragile. Okay, that is referred to the effect of deficiency of the boron. Okay, next we go to the zinc. Yeah, zinc important in leaf formation, synthesis of auxin. Right, okay. Later in the next topic, we are going to discuss about the auxin. Yeah, don't worry about that. Yeah, act as a cofactor in carbohydrate metabolism. Okay, effect of deficiency, leaf surface becomes spotted with chlorosis part. Yeah. Yeah, so the leaf surface becomes spotted with chlorosis part. Means that the certain part of the leaf, yeah, the spot, it becomes spot and then it yellowish color. Stunted growth, right? Okay, stunted growth. Here we go to the copper. Involves in nitrogen metabolism and photosynthesis. Important for growth, reproduction, and flower formation. Okay. Then effect of deficiency, death of the young shoot apex, yeah? A brown spot on terminal leaf, plants become stunted or stunted growth. Okay, nickel, a component of plant enzymes involved in the breakdown of urea to become ammonia, which can be used by plant. Okay, if lack of it, it will cause stunted growth, reduce crop production, burnt effect at the end of the leaf due to urea accumulation. Alright, okay, so that is referred to the lack of the nickel. Okay, molybdenum. Last one, yeah. Molybdenum involved in nitrogen fixation and nitrate reduction during protein synthesis. Yeah. Chlorosis, okay, effect of deficiency. Chlorosis in between mature leaf vein. Yeah, leaf color become pale green, yeah, and then reduce crop production. Okay, so these are all the examples of the macronutrient, the function, and also the effect of micronutrient deficiency. Alright, okay, so you have to remember the micronutrients and especially the effect of deficiency, yeah, for both macronutrient and micronutrient. Okay, next we go to the NOP solution. Yeah, NOP solution. Yeah, NOP solution. What is a NOP solution? Yeah, NOP solution is a culture solution used to study the importance of nutrients for plant growth. Yeah, used to study the importance of nutrients for plant growth. Okay, so that is a NOP solution. NOP solution contains all nutrients, including trace element needed by healthy plants, right? Okay, it contains all nutrient, yeah, all nutrient, including macronutrient and micronutrient. Alright, okay. So the NOP solution is a culture solution that contains all the nutrients, yeah, needed by healthy plant. Okay. A complete culture solution was prepared by a chemist named Wilhelm Knop, yeah, in 1859. So this is the scientist that prepare a complete culture solution. Yeah, what is the importance of the Knop solution? To study the importance of the nutrients for plant growth. Alright. Okay, so that's all in the so these are refer to the composition, right? Okay, so the composition of the complete NOP culture solution. Yeah, there is a calcium nitrate, yeah, potassium nitrate, yeah, and then potassium dihydrogen phosphate, magnesium sulfate, iron phosphate, yeah, and then distilled water. Okay, so you don't have to remember all these. Yeah, the composition of NOP solution don't have to remember, but you have to know what is not the solution, yeah, what is not solution and what it is used for. All right, okay, all right. So I think that's all for the 3.3.1, right? Okay, so make sure you read again and again, yeah, until you understand. All right, okay. So thank you for today's lesson, girls. Okay, have a nice day.